Hello everyone. Introducing professional IT courses by Adiox Technologies. This is the overview of business analyst course. Why business analyst? What are they? Why we need a business analyst? Let's understand that. Business analyst is a role which is required across the industry. So it is the easiest tool anyone can have to work or be part of the IT industry. So it's easy to learn. Yes, it is. Very big demand in the market. According to the recent survey and the statistical data which was presented by the Labor of Bureau, it was highlighted that the business analyst is a very highly demand role which is there in the market, and this is going to grow further and further. The reason being is because since the nature of the industry, whether it is the pharmaceutical, healthcare, finance, it's keep changing because of the new regulations, new statistical data which are available in the market. Because of that, there are new enhancements which are needed on the system, and any company cannot survive without IT, without an information technology, because information technology is working on day-to-day basis as a backbone of the industry. So that is one of the reason why, or that is the biggest reason why the information technology business analyst demand is growing and growing so high. Great pay. As the companies like IBM, Google, Microsoft are seeking more and more resource from the business analyst profile to satisfy their internal need as well as their external client need, they rely on the great expertise of the business analyst, because they comes from the different areas and they share their experience amongst these companies and help them grow in terms of their client, in terms of their work. Great pay. Since there is more demand in the market, so it comes with a great price. So if you are a business analyst and you have an in-depth knowledge of it, or you are seeking a career enhancement as part of a business analyst, this is the right place where you should be, because your work, your effort, your skill is a great pay. Jobs everywhere. Since the industries are across the globe and the IT is running as a backbone of these industries, so you can assume that what kind of a job which are lying out there in the market, no matter which side of the country you are, you can find jobs everywhere, because the industries are spread across the country and you can find a business analyst job across the country. Our differentiators, as the name says, what we do differently. Highly experienced and certified trainers. So once you are associated with that, you can find all of our trainers are high profile trainers who are coming with different type of versatile industries, and they come and share their real-time experiences with our students. Flexible timings. To accommodate our candidates, to accommodate our students, whether they are working professional, house moms, whoever you are, we have a room for you, we have a plan for you, we will work next to you to make sure that we satisfy all the needs in terms of a business analyst roles and the training you are seeking from us, and we'll work over the weekend or the evening classes to make sure we are able to accommodate your schedule. Current and the real-time projects. As our trainers are coming from the different area, different industry, and they are highly profiled trainers, certified trainers, they bring back lot of real-time project experience, because they are working there and they have struggled with those projects. They have worked on those projects to see how industry is changing, what kind of changes are coming, and what is happening on the day they are going to share with our students, so that you get to be associated with the industry and realize what the changes are happening. Knowledge base. Time to time, we try to enhance our knowledge base to make sure that we capture all the need which are lying out there in the market, in terms of capturing the right information in a right format and keep it secure for you when you come as a student and get associated with us. Now, what do we do as part of a knowledge base? Now, knowledge base have developed where we are storing all the area, all the domain, all the knowledge areas like, okay, what kind of a tools business analyst is using it, what kind of a methodologies business analyst is using it. All these things are kept secure for you, where you come in and you don't have to scratch your head and try to find out where exactly you go and try to seek some more information on that. So once you are associated with us, you get access to all these different areas. Domain knowledge. As the industry demands the more and more specialist resources, and that's where you come as a business analyst as a role, but on top of that we give you the domain knowledge so that we can showcase you that, okay, you understand what the domain is, how the business is running for any particular industry, and you can help them in a full capacity. Video recording. Every class is recorded very professionally and kept, and access is given to all of our students to make sure that if for some reason you want to recap any of the topics and you want to see those topics repeated, you should be able to see it without any hesitation or without any dependency. So all these classes are professionally recorded for your future references. Study material. All the materials are shared during the class that gets recorded. On top of that, all the documents are given as part of the knowledge base to you as a student to make sure anything, if you want to have a future reference, you should be able to do it. Interview question. That is the key of the overall training course. Interview questions are enabling the students in such a way so that you get a confidence to how to showcase your strength, how to give the professional answer, how to overcome your weaknesses by showcasing your strength. These are all the tips which you are going to learn as part of the interview. How to reach us? If you want to call us, please call it at 848-200-0448, or if you want to send an email, please write to us at info@adiox.com. Thank you.